Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss the exciting news of Ripple XRP and what Fed confirmed. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
A decade ago, the word cryptocurrency would make many raise their brows with suspicion, but things have changed drastically recently. The increased awareness of the cryptocurrency market and the intriguing nature of crypto enthusiasts have kept the crypto space buzzing throughout the years. Of all the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and etc., XRP or Ripple has also made its way to the list of top cryptocurrencies. Luckily for XRP investors, this digital coin has consistently managed to stay in the top 5 cryptocurrency list, except for a few years. While 2021 was a particularly bullish year for XRP, investors are interested to know the XRP price prediction for this calendar year and beyond so they can plan their investment accordingly. Before we head straight to the price predictions, let's start with the basics to ensure you get the complete clarity about what XRP is and what you can expect of its future. To begin with, Ripple is a global money transfer network created to facilitate cross-border payments in a fast, secure, and affordable manner. XRP is the official native currency used on the Ripple blockchain network. You can also consider Ripple as Swift's competitor. It has already started partnering with some of the biggest names in the global financial world, including the Bank of America, ZenderPay, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, Santander, Instarem, and etc. In the coming years, Ripple aims to become the go-to solution for international payments across the globe by all top financial institutions. And the more it gets accepted by financial institutions worldwide, the higher its currency valuation will be. Now that you know what Ripple and XRP exactly are, let's get some quick information on its last year's price trends. It will give some crucial insights that will inform the basis of its future price predictions. If you looked at XRP's price in January 2021, it had fallen to a new low of 21 cents from a high of 78 cents of the previous year 2020. The price was supported by the broader cryptocurrency market, resulting in a price hike from 21 cents to $1.96. This increase was witnessed in April 2021, but it again slid to its previous 50-cent price levels in the following years. For those who don't know, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a case against Ripple Labs and its 2 executives, citing they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered and ongoing offering of a digital asset, XRP in this case. They considered XRP as the security, which is in contrast to the ETH. In June, SEC stated that the ETH was not security, thereby, any amount arising from the sales of ETH is not security transactions. While much of the price downfall was attributed to the ongoing case of Ripple Labs and SEC, the hopes of a favorable outcome made XRP's price rise again to $1 in the following months. Irrespective of a constant battle between the SEC and Ripple Labs, the company that created Ripple and its native currency, XRP's market cap sits at approximately $43 billion. Be informed that this figure is subject to change due to the high volatility of the crypto market. What does XRP's future hold? The market is expected to be bullish this calendar too for XRP. However, a lot will depend on the outcome of 2 lawsuits lodged against Ripple Labs. As a claim of bias against SEC has been registered by a non-profit government watchdog called Empower Oversight, the verdict of this lawsuit will be vital in determining XRP's price trend. According to this watchdog, the SEC officials were biased against XRP and Ripple Labs. If the lawsuit's verdict comes out in favor of Ripple Labs, SEC would be forced to close the case pressed against XRP and Ripple Labs, which would eventually result in a price increase in XRP. But an adverse verdict can turn things upside down for this digital currency. While some XRP enthusiasts and supporters believe this currency will hit a whopping $5 mark level this year, others believe an unfavorable verdict in the lawsuit can result in XRP crashing down to record low levels. As the cryptocurrency markets have managed to be more optimistic than in earlier years, people can expect to see some good, positive price trends. People should know that besides the outcome or verdict of the ongoing lawsuits, even the broader crypto market will influence the XRP's price this year and beyond. A bearish year might result in XRP falling back to its low 50-cent price levels. The most significant risk of the open, broader crypto market is the absence of regulatory oversight. According to Wallet Investor, an algorithm-based site, the projected XRP price can move from the current price to an average of $1.44 in a year, while the same can rise to a whopping $3.74 in 5 years. Looking a little further, some experts believe that XRP could reach the average price of $3.44 in 2025, while the same could rise to about $25 by 2030. A 25% devaluation would be suitable for XRP. The low of today barely touched the ascending side of the pennant, which will put mounting pressure on bulls trying to defend that support over the short term. Although a pennant can still go either way, bulls look to be unable to hold support at 78 cents within the pennant. This is to be perceived as a bearish signal, together with the relative strength index fading away from 50 and pointing to more downside risk. If bulls cannot hold XRP price action along that ascending side, expect to see a quick nosedive in 2 phases. The first, a halt around 70 cents, which was the January 10th low and thus signifies a retest of the low of this year. Then, expect new lows to be penciled in for the year, as bears will want to keep their gains locked in until 58 cents, which would return them 25% of value. That level holds a historical significance and is also the monthly S1 support level. Pop to the upside could still be on the cards when global markets can find it within themselves to finally shrug off the negative sentiment surrounding the Fed's rate hike policy outlook to contain inflation. Expect once that happens to see a quick reversal to 84 cents, with the pennant breaking to the upside and the 78 cent level holding support again. Investors will rush into push price action back towards 88 cents, with the 55-day simple moving average SMA getting in the way as the relative strength index RSI quickly trades back above 50. The point at which the 200-day and the 55-day SMA crossed at 95 cents provides a possible entry level for bears to begin a fight back. XRP can reach $5, but not quickly. Legal challenges are never easy to predict, but the cryptocurrency market as a whole would benefit from a final judgment leaning in Ripple's direction. That pressure may not mean much when the adversary is a division of the US government. Still, Ripple and XRP will at least have the benefit of top-quality legal advice and community support along the way. There is too much at stake to leave the cryptocurrency alone on the front line. That's why a full-fledged SEC victory would come as a surprise to me. In my eyes, it's a possible result, but not a probable one. XRP should absolutely rise above $5 if I'm right. However, it won't get there quickly. The chances of a final verdict in 2022 are slim to none, so XRP investors should hunker down for a multi-year ride to that lofty peak. Then again, patience is the best of all virtues for a serious investor, since unbreakable patience plus robust long-term growth equals wealth-building returns. All things considered, I don't mind holding on to my modest collection of XRP tokens for the next several years as this legal drama plays out. Should you invest in XRP? When it comes to digital coins or cryptocurrency, no one can 100% accurately predict the price of any digital coin, but experts can make some near-accurate predictions depending on past trends and key market factors. If you want to invest in Ripple's XRP, be sure you do it after doing your own research and understanding the risk associated with purchasing the same. Doing so will ensure you're making the right crypto purchase decision. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.